Cold plunge day 120. Oh man, I think I swallowed a little bit of water there. Whew, okay. Oh, today's Tuesday. And oh my gosh, I just got over a bad stomach bug. I won't go into too much detail, but I lost 8 pounds in 2 days. It's nasty. Wow, day 120. It feels like the 30-day increments aren't as big a deal. My first goal in cold plunging was 60 days before I even tried cold plunging, just because I wanted to commit to doing it 60 days without knowing how awful it could be or hard it would be. I wanted to really just set a goal to do 60 days and lock in on that before I tried it, just so I couldn't back out. And so 60 days, that was a milestone. And then 90 days, I was like, all right, I guess I'm going to keep streaking. Well, I guess we're at 120 now. And this last 30 days has gone by in a breeze. So I guess like anything, any habit that you develop, the more you do it, just the more integrated into your life it becomes and the easier it becomes. So the streak continues. I'm just glad I could cold plunge when I was sick the last 2 days. Oh, I was stressing so hard about that and getting my 1 mile run in. Anyway, I had a thought this morning. I kind of woke up early before my alarm went off. And I had a thought about time versus like efficiency. Basically, I have all these like things going through my head right now, things I want to change and things I want to do. Starting this YouTube channel. And I think the problem a lot of people make is they set like a goal that could be kind of counterproductive. Meaning, say you've never shot a YouTube video, you've never edited a video, you don't even know basic things like frame rates per second, things like that. And all of a sudden you're like, I'm gonna do 1 video a week. That's my goal. And you start with this goal that doesn't really take the learning curve into consideration. Then what you have is like this stress and this pressure to release 1 video per week when it's going to take you tons of time on this learning curve for the output to hit your goal. What I was thinking about is kind of the opposite, which is, and then on that note, I have been kind of stressing out about all these things that I want to do and feeling like I don't have enough time to do them. So the thing that I came up with this morning that was like really comforting was, if you think of your time and efficiency on a graph that isn't completely linear in a straight line up, it's more like you've got time on the bottom and you have like efficiency on the side, so XY graph kind of thing. Instead of the curve just going straight up, your efficiency as you get better at things is going to increase, right? So kind of like a an investment account. Say you put the same amount of money in an investment account that returns, like, let's just say for this example, 8% a year or 10% per year. Eventually, the money in that account becomes so big that towards the end, it kind of goes parabolic. It's a curve, this graph. So if you focus on just putting in the time, with that time, you'll become more efficient in everything that you're doing, and your gains will get bigger as you keep investing your time. So going back to the graph, I mean, that graph is going to curve up and just go parabolic. So I'm going to just take peace in that fact that when you just put the time in, eventually the rewards will come. And that could be with anything: cold plunging, exercising, running. When you just put the time in, there will be a point where that wall gets broken down, and all of a sudden you make gains, and you do things you never thought you could do. I think the problem we all make is that we quit before we get to that point, because we expect instant returns on our investment, when we really just need to be patient and let that knowledge and all the learning and all the hard work that we're doing accrue, because in time, it's just going to go parabolic. That's the thought that I woke up with this morning, and I have a total peace about everything that I'm doing in my life, all the positive changes: not drinking, running, lifting, cold plunging. I feel like all those things are really compounding and starting to make big differences in my life. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you, and hope you're all having a good day. Woo! 120 down.